Well, even as you mentioned processes, then I'm thinking a lot of businesses should have their processes written out and often don't. It's like in the owner's head, or maybe an employee kind of knows what they should be doing, right? So, how do you help them also figure out then if their process maybe needs to be adapted some, like, or do you then say, okay, we're going to use this software, but then you also have to spell out how you want your staff to use this effectively? Like, how do you go about basically teaching them how to create those processes to effectively use the software?
So the first thing I like to do is, I'll start with recording what it is that we're doing, just kind of walking through the steps in the process. And it will be long and cumbersome and we'll fumble quite a bit. But in that, we start to identify what are those processes. And we might go
Mhm,
through this a few times. And then from there, we can take the video recording of how we went through this particular, series of steps and turn that into documentation or turn that
mhm,
into short videos, because really for technology to be adopted or even changes in processes, in order to share that with the team, we all absorb information in different ways and at different
mhm,
times. So I have to use multiple different mediums to be able to convey that information. Some prefer it in writing, some prefer audio or video, some prefer just to be hands on and kind of walked through that process and then augmented with additional resources. And so I have to be able to support all of those different ways that we learn, as well as just identifying, again, taking it from the owner's head and out into something that I can now replicate and share with the team.